Have you been fooled by dealers and car manufacturers time and time again? That's why most cars never even make it to 100,000 miles. Today, I'm sharing 17 brutally honest tips to help your car break the 300,000-mile barrier. We're cutting through the web of lies and sharing tips that will revolutionize your car's mechanics. Stick around till the end because the last tip takes just a second but could save you $5,000 in repairs. Let's dive in, friends. Today we'll tell you the secrets of turbocharged engines, their advantages, disadvantages, and maintenance tips. We'll also share what you need to pay attention to when using a turbocharged vehicle. If you're ready, let's start this exciting journey. First, let's explain what a turbocharged engine is and how it works. A turbocharged engine is a type of power enhancement system used in internal combustion engines. This system, called a turbocharger, uses the engine's exhaust gases to spin turbines and thus provides additional air to the engine. The extra air allows the engine to burn more fuel and consequently produce more power. Turbocharged engines are widely used in both gasoline and diesel vehicles and enable higher performance with smaller engine capacities. So, how does a turbocharger work? The engine's exhaust gases enter the turbine and spin it. The turbine also spins a compressor connected to it via a shaft. The compressor compresses the air and sends it to the engine. The compressed air allows the engine to burn more fuel, thus producing more power. It's that simple. Turbocharged engines have many advantages. First, fuel efficiency. Turbocharged engines can produce more power with smaller engine capacities. This leads to reduced fuel consumption and a more efficient driving experience. Second, high performance. Turbocharged engines have higher torque and power values compared to naturally aspirated engines. This improves the acceleration and towing performance of vehicles. Third, they are environmentally friendly. Lower fuel consumption means lower carbon emissions, making turbocharged engines more eco-friendly. Finally, their compact design reduces the overall weight of vehicles and provides better weight distribution. Of course, turbocharged engines also have some disadvantages. First, maintenance costs. Turbocharged engines have a more complex structure and therefore higher maintenance costs. Second, heating issues. Turbocharged engines operate at high temperatures and thus carry a risk of overheating, which can shorten the engine's lifespan. Third, turbo lag. Turbocharged engines require a certain RPM for the turbines to kick in. This can cause a phenomenon known as turbo lag and negatively affect the driving experience. Finally, the need for lubrication. Turbocharged engines continuously require high-quality engine oil. Insufficient lubrication can shorten the lifespan of the turbo system and cause serious damage. Regular maintenance is essential for turbocharged engines to operate smoothly and have a long lifespan. Here are some important points to consider for turbocharged engine maintenance. 1. Regular oil changes. Turbocharged engines continuously require high-quality engine oil. Regular oil changes extend the life of the engine and turbo system. Engine oil lubricates the engine's moving parts, reducing friction and ensuring efficient operation. Oil changes should be done at intervals specified in the vehicle's user manual. The air filter cleans the air entering the engine, ensuring efficient operation. A dirty air filter can reduce the engine's performance and increase fuel consumption. The air filter should be regularly cleaned or replaced. Turbocharged engines operate at high temperatures, making the cooling system very important. The cooling system prevents the engine from overheating, thus extending its lifespan. Coolant should be regularly checked and replaced if necessary. 4. Turbo hoses and connections. Turbo hoses and connections are crucial for the efficient operation of the turbo system. These hoses and connections should be regularly checked and replaced if necessary. 5. Exhaust system maintenance. The exhaust system is vital for the efficient operation of turbocharged engines. A blockage or damage in the exhaust system can hinder the efficient operation of the turbocharger and negatively affect the engine's performance. The exhaust system should be regularly checked, and any issues should be addressed immediately. 6. Software updates. Modern turbocharged engines are managed by electronic control units, ECU. These control units should be regularly updated to optimize the engine's performance. Getting software updates at intervals recommended by the manufacturer ensures the engine operates at its best efficiency. Turbocharger failures can negatively affect the engine's performance and cause serious damage. Here are some common symptoms of turbocharger failure. Performance loss. Turbocharger failures can reduce the engine's power output and negatively affect the vehicle's performance. If you notice a decrease in the vehicle's acceleration and towing performance, it is advisable to have the turbo system checked. Point 2. Excessive smoke emission. Turbocharger failures can cause excessive smoke emission from the exhaust. This indicates that the engine's combustion efficiency has decreased and the fuel is not burning completely. Point 3. High oil consumption. Turbocharger failures can increase the engine's oil consumption. If your vehicle is consuming more oil than usual, it is advisable to have the turbo system checked. Point 4. Noisy operation. Turbocharger failures can cause the engine to operate noisily. If your engine is making more noise than usual, it is advisable to have the turbo system checked. Point 5. Oil leakage. Turbocharger failures can cause oil leakage. If you notice oil leakage in your engine, it is advisable to have the turbo system checked. There are some important points to consider when using a turbocharged vehicle. Here are the things you should pay attention to when using a turbocharged vehicle. Wait for the engine to warm up and cool down. Turbocharged engines operate at high temperatures, so it is important to wait for the engine to warm up and cool down. Running the engine at high RPMs when it is cold can damage the turbo system. Point 2. Avoid overloading. Turbocharged engines are sensitive to overloading. Overloading can shorten the lifespan of the turbo system and cause serious damage. Point 3. Get regular maintenance. Turbocharged engines require regular maintenance. Regular maintenance extends the life of the engine and turbo system and improves performance. Point 4. Use high-quality engine oil. Turbocharged engines continuously require high-quality engine oil. Using high-quality engine oil extends the life of the engine and turbo system. Point 5. Avoid aggressive driving. Aggressive driving can damage the turbo system and shorten its lifespan. Adopting a smooth and controlled driving style extends the life of your turbocharged engine. Turbocharged engines hold an important place in the automotive industry and seem to maintain this importance in the future. With the increasing popularity of electric vehicles, the use of turbocharged engines may decrease, but their use in hybrid vehicles will continue. Turbocharged engines increase the efficiency of internal combustion engines in hybrid vehicles, providing lower fuel consumption and emission values. Turbocharged engines also hold significant importance in the racing world. Racing cars use turbocharged engines for high performance and speed. Turbocharged engines enhance the acceleration and towing performance of racing cars, giving them an advantage in races. Additionally, turbocharged engines increase the fuel efficiency of racing cars, allowing them to last longer in races. Turbocharged vehicles offer many advantages in daily use. They can produce more power with smaller engine capacities, leading to reduced fuel consumption and a more efficient driving experience. Additionally, turbocharged vehicles offer high performance and speed, enhancing the driving pleasure. Turbocharged vehicles are also notable for being environmentally friendly in daily use. The maintenance costs of turbocharged vehicles are higher compared to naturally aspirated vehicles. Turbocharged engines have a more complex structure, leading to higher maintenance costs. However, it is possible to extend the lifespan of turbocharged vehicles and reduce maintenance costs by performing regular maintenance and using quality parts. Regular maintenance extends the life of the engine and turbo system and improves performance. Friends, in this video, we covered everything you need to know about turbocharged engines. Turbocharged engines are amazing components that offer high performance and fuel efficiency. However, regular maintenance and correct usage are essential for these engines to operate smoothly and have a long lifespan. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.